Hello, hello. The church lady with a lady with a beard. The bearded lady in the Cathedral of the Blue Oyster Man. Well, the new Blue Oyster Cult album, the church lady reports the latest news from Long Island IC. And here I am at Prince Kebab, Prince Eric, the bearded fellow with a new Rolex, the Coca-Cola Club. And I'm joining the Hog Riders, Fart Man, and the Pink Fairies with Paycaster to Blue Huskadoo, Sun Arcade. Every day I go out to score, and every day I score Coca Pepsi tests. So these are all the Silver Moon, the Silver Octavian Silver Moon of Cassandra complex, what I say, of silver voice of the crescent moon. And tonight we have Storm Night, and it's Mornblader coming, Stormblader coming, and always